Intel Corporation is an American multinational technology company that is renowned for designing and manufacturing semiconductor chips and related technologies. Founded on 18 July 1968 by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, Intel has become one of the world's largest and the most influential semiconductor companies. Intel's primary business revolves around the productions of microprocessors, which are the central processing unit (CPU) found in computers and other electronic devices. The company's processor power a wide range
American
of
multinational
devices,
semiconductor
including
business,
personal
AMD,
computers,
advanced micro
servers,
devices, develop and
smartphones,
produce
tablets,
microprocessor,
and
graphic
embedded
processing
system
unit,
(GPU), and associated technologies. Jerry Sander and a group of engineers founded AMD on 1st May 1969, and it has since grown to be a significant rival to Intel in the semiconductor market. The development of CPU and graphic cards for a variety of computing devices is AMD's main area of interest. The company's CPU are founded in servers, game consoles, desktop and laptop computers, and embedded system. The strong performance, energy economy, and affordable cost of AMD CPU have made them well liked by both consumer and companies.
The vision statement of Intel Corporation is if it is smart and connected, it is best with Intel. This business vision is a general explanation of what the company accomplished. The company vision statement lists the following as its main characteristic: smart, connected, and best with intelligence. Best with Intel shows that the corporation believes it is more skilled and competent to provide other people with link and smart items. The mission statement of Intel Corporation is utilize the power of Moore's law to bring smart connected devices to every person on Earth. This corporate mission clearly outlines the goals the company has set to itself in order to grow strategically and dominate the global market. Next is Advanced Micro Devices vision is to be the leading designer and integrator of innovative, tailored technology solutions that empower people to push the boundaries of what is possible. Advanced Micro Devices mission, which is to become the recognized leader in powering life-changing goods and experience that enable consumers to effortlessly create, consume, and share across billions of immersed devices, which is it highlights their commitment to provide powerful and visually appealing solutions that enable their clients to accomplish dramatic results. The organizational structure is designed to promote teamwork, innovation, and efficiency, while also being able to respond quickly to changes in the market and the needs of its customer. Intel also employs an executive management team, which includes a chief executive officer, which is Patrick Gessinger, chief commercial officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Technology Officer, Chief Global Operation, Chief People Officer, Chief Legal Officer, and the Chief Strategy Officer. So these executives are responsible for overseeing the company's operation, finance, technology, and strategy, among other areas. The AMD organization is the way that Advanced Micro Devices, a company that makes computer parts like processor and graphic cards, is structured and managed. The CEO, Lisa Su, is in charge of the whole company, and there are other people who are in charge of specific parts of the business, like making high performance computer or managing the supply chain. The company probably has different teams for things like research, marketing, and sales. So the goal of the AMD organization is to help the company make new and better technology that people can use to work, play, and connect with each other.
Internationalization motive by Intel. The first one is technological in leadership. Intel is dedicated to maintain its position as the global leader in technology. This is proved by one of their motto: "We are an industry leader and a catalyst for technology innovation and products that revolutionize the way we live." They also claim themselves as stewards of Moore's law and intending to keep up to the more powerful and efficient computing technology. With the development of cutting-edge technology, Intel can remain at the forefront of technological advancement and influence in industry standard. The second one is a market expansion. Intel seeks to increase its global presence in new and emerging markets. They transform into a system foundry with four components, including a chiplet standard, a traditional wafer based on Moore's law, software, and packaging. By enabling these capabilities, their foundry objective entail engaging with customer on multiple levels. The third one is competitive advantage. Intel aspires to become dominant participant in the global semiconductor market. In the past year, they exert considerable effort to restructure the leadership by promoting from within and incorporating outside perspective. This includes the appointment of Frank Yeary as board of chairman and the inclusion of Lip Butan and Barbara Novick to the board of directors. This effort is supported by a disciplined capital allocation strategy. The next one is internationalization motives by EMD. The first one is competitive positioning. EMD's global expansions improve the company's ability to compete with rivals, notably Intel Corporation, its competitor. By penetrating new markets, EMD can challenge Intel's dominance and gain market share. Internationalization allows AMD to strengthen its global presence and cultivate relationships with key stakeholders, including customers, partners, and investors. The second one is technological collaboration. EMD intends to collaborate with global technology firms, research institutions, and suppliers. This alliance can facilitate knowledge transfer, the creation of new technologies, and research development efforts. By establishing a global presence, EMD is able to enhance its product offerings by leveraging the expertise and resources available in various regions. EMD collaborates with other prominent companies including SpaceX, Google, NASA, Microsoft,
Internationalization
and
process of
others.
EMD.
The
It was
third
started
one
by
is
EMD
market
made its first
expansion.
attempt in
EMD intends to
internationalization in
enter new
1982 when it began
potentially
supplying Intel with resources.
international
They
markets.
learned how to create
EMD can
computer-compatible
increase its
semiconductor from
revenue
there.
streams
In
and gain access to a
1991,
larger
EMD
customer base
introduced
by
the
expanding beyond its domestic markets. This is
EM386 microprocessor
crucial
family,
and
a reverse-engineered
extremely
device
competitive
compatible with
semiconductor
Intel's
industry
next-generation
where processor
32-bit
and associate products
386
are in high
microprocessor.
demand
In the process,
worldwide.
EMD acquired the microprocessor company
Internationalization
NextGen
process
in
by Intel.
1996 and
It
began
was started
international
in year
expansion from the Intel's
1968. The
compatible semiconductor market.
4004 was
The outcome from this
developed by the
process,
creators
in
as the
2000,
inaugural
EMT
programmable
introduced the
microprocessor in the
Athlon
world. The
processor,
product
which
exhibits
was
strong
designed to support
sales
Microsoft
performance and
operations,
yield
Windows
significant
operating
financial
system.
gains for the
EMD
Intel.
established
They
itself as a
maintain
formidable competitor in the
internationalization
semiconductor
capabilities by
industry
continuing
with the
to
introduction of
manufacture
the Athlon
all of their
microprocessor.
computer-compatible semiconductor products, allowing Intel to become the largest semiconductor manufacturer in the world. In the process, Intel initiated the establishment of sales office and distribution channels in multiple countries as a strategic endeavor to expand in the global presence.
For Intel, the
They
international
established
strategies
their
that
first
used by
international
Intel is global
manufacturing
market
facility in
expansion,
Penang, Malaysia
localization, and
in
customization. They
1972.
also
This
strategic
is done to
partnership with
guarantee
suppliers,
that their
define new
supply
market
chains can meet the
opportunity,
global
and sign
demand.
some local
The
partnerships.
outcome
As
from this
AMD and Intel
process is Intel has become a
for AMD
prominent
family, the
participant in
international strategy has
2010,
divided its
assuming a
R&D
crucial role
centers,
in the
which develops
development
the
and
R&D centers in
implementation
new
of
markets
smart
for
devices.
basic and default.
Numerous
On the
end-user
next of
devices
strategy
ranging
is
from
the government
agent
and regulation
appliances
engagement,
to
which
unmanned
is
aerial
developing the
vehicles or
policy and
drones were
implementation
powered
with
by the
so-called
company's
collaborative
technology along with
multi-government.
the
And
high-powered
third is
server
corporate and
processor
social
there.
responsibility, which is the company will do some activities to benefit the social and also the new
and
market.
features that affect their performance in different scenarios. For example, Intel's certain generator like CPUs use and hybrid design that combines high performance and efficiency cores, which can boost performance in both gaming and productivity tasks, but also consume more power than AMD's chips. AMD Ryzen 7000 CPUs use a monolithic design that offer more consistent performance across the board, but also have specialized X3D models that use 3D chip stacking technology to deliver the best gaming performance on the market, and the expense of some productivity performance. Last,
The relevant theories on internalization can be divided to three types. The first is Uppsala model, which is a theory that describes how firms can increase their international involvement. And the second is electric paradigm, which is a three-type evaluation methodology that business to choose their beneficial on FDI. And the third one is interactive network approach that emphasizes the influence of the social network on market entry and internalization.
Intel and AMD have significantly impacted the computing industry, while
Now I would
Intel
like to
has
present
remained
about
the
reasons for
dominant
selecting
first and
international
AMD
strategies.
provide as a
Firstly, the reasons
formidable
why Intel
competitor
selected
has
those
injected
international
harsh
strategies
competition
because
in the
can
market
reduce
into the
costs,
market.
improve
The two
customer
businesses'
satisfaction,
development
enhance
has
brand
resulted
awareness,
in
and improve
substantial
quality control.
breakthrough in
However, for
CPU
AMD, the
technology,
reasons why
offering
AMD selected
improving
those
consumers
international strategy
with
because those
enhanced
strategy
performance and
will lead
increased
to
choice.
innovative
The
marketing
battle
strategy,
between Intel
reduce
and
the
AMD
burdens and
is
costs,
like to
gaining
stimulate
more
additional
convenient access to
innovation
a
and
competent workforce, and improve
determine the
customer
future of
loyalty.
computer
Next,
computing as the
internationalization challenge
industry
of Intel
evolves.
are
Okay.
inflation and currency exchange. This is because inflation will lead to decrease in consumer spending, and the currency exchange are due to the currency values is not guaranteed to be corresponding to the amount that is identical to other nation currencies. The second internationalization challenge of Intel is competitions. Since the market is open to competition growing daily, the competition is extremely fierce. For instance, AMD is one of the competitors of Intel, therefore, it is quite a challenge. The internationalization challenge for AMD is political factors. AMD is a multinational company which runs over 35 locations worldwide. Therefore, any regulatory environment changes will have a substantial impact on the operation of the company. The second internationalization challenge for AMD is cultural difference. AMD should be aware the circumstance the company take for granted in one nation may be different in another. For instance, there are various cultural challenges that AMD should overcome while doing business in Japan. This is because the culture is almost different.